What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. And it's your boy Later Goat coming at you guys with another reaction video, man. Now in today's video, we're gonna be reacting to Psycho Bird attacks boy on the scooter. Now the thumbnail, when I looked at the thumbnail, it was pretty interesting. I mean, like a huge ass bird came in, you know. But yeah, man, without further
Hello
ado,
everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Every time someone goes on the sidewalk, this aggressive magpie chases after them.
Look how he rides the scooter, bro. Oh my god. Bro, what the hell? This man, the bird is crazy, bro. Sheesh. Big bed.
This child is only 10 years old and is already 6'2". At that kind of size, playing sports can be pretty easy.
That man's my age. My size. I said my age. My size. Who's finna tackle him? Who's finna tackle him? Ain't nobody finna tackle that big ass kid, man. Oh, he tackled him. When I do stuff like that, I get a
This
huge
person likes to use colored rice to make some amazing works of art.
Oh, they got Patrick in the building. What's that? Whatever that man's name is. I forgot his name. Dang, that's a funny looking SpongeBob. Black Panther, Wakanda forever, man.
This mom lost her child somewhere in a forest in Canada.
My son, who has special needs, who's 6 years old, is missing. He's been missing for about 45 minutes. We've been looking for him.
It was nighttime and it was hard to see anything, but the helicopter pilot used an infrared camera to spot the child.
What I'm doing is firing a laser right now. Just wondering if somebody could use their goggles and see if you can see that laser.
We're bringing him out. He appears to be in good condition, but I want to get him checked. Thank you, helicopter.
Thank you, helicopter, man. Dang, he trying to drink that type of wind, bro? Come on, bro.
This guy was playing around when he lost his basketball on accident.
Ooh, R.I.P. 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 I know that feeling, bro. Oh,
This guy was trying to fix an ice machine that got jammed.
What's his ass? See, you gotta pass. Look. Hold on.
Here's a little tiny wrinkly dog.
Hello, bro. Look, these are not slip resistant. That's why they tell you get slip resistant shoes for situations like this. Dumbass. Look at him.
Here's a little tiny wrinkly dog.
That boy got an old soul for real. That boy wrinkled up already. I bet he's not gonna jump out. I thought cats don't like wind like that. That boy is dogging. No cap.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys.
Yeah, it was pretty dope, man. But yeah, that's the end of that video, y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Oh yeah, and in the comment section, man, y'all tell me what y'all want me to react to, man. You know, y'all give me some ideas. But yeah, man, that's the end of that video. Peace.